8 points up for the Nifty. This is big surprise because the SGX was telling us a completely different story, but this will adjust because globally that strength factor is clearly missing. So what do we have there? Already a tick of red for the Nifty and already a tick of red for the Sensex. I'll race you through the gainers and the losers now. I'll start with the absolute losers. That's the flavor. So you've got Kotak Mahindra Bank down 6 rupees, DRL down 18 rupees. HDFC Bank has taken a knock off about 4 rupees, Bajaj Auto down about 9, and you've got a 4 rupee cut for Hero MotoCorp. Nothing very meaningful is correcting. Everything is correcting in a very measured manner. BPCL, Tata Motors, news driven, ran back C, which was a big mover for the week gone by, is at 482, ITC is at 316, and NMDC is at 138 rupees. That's a large cap setup for you, and nothing at all.
Okay, let's also talk about some of the newsmakers then today. And Infosys has now announced appointments of presidents. They've appointed BG Srinivas as president, also UB Praveen Rao as president. So watch out for Infy. Of course, it's earnings week for Infy. The stock has started off the day fairly tempered. You've also got GSK, wherein now the parent GSK has approached FIPB to hike stake in the domestic arm by buying a 24.33% stake. This has started off just relatively quiet right now. The auto sales for the month of December for Tata Motors are out. The JLR India sales are up by about 22%, and the US JLR sales have come in higher by about almost 17% or so. And Tata Motors has kick-started the day relatively okay. You've also got IOC, which is up the petrol prices by 75 paise per litre. Let's see what the entire OMC basket is up to. IOC has started off just about marginally in the green. PPCL seeing a fair amount of traction. In HP is the high flyer, almost up 2%. MCX-SX, the board has now approved a 1:1 rights issue. This has been fairly active all of last week, and today too it started off marginally in the green. FT though relatively better, higher by about 5% or so. So these are a couple of stocks which are going to be in focus. What about the index trade right now? What's the index up to? It's lower, relatively subdued, you'd have to say. 61.94 is where we're at. Let's see the market breadth, and my sense is that the broader markets should be outperforming right now, and the market breadth is holding out pretty okay, holding or rather favoring the advances by a good margin. 433 now standing to the green line.